Balance. So I like to refer to this as rhythm. Wasn't always the case. I met a wonderful mentor who changed my mindset around balance and turned it to rhythm. So balance, a lot of us think of the scale, right? It has to be 50-50, and then you're caught in this feeling of being very frustrated, overwhelmed at work because you're surging there and you don't have enough time for your hobbies or your family. And when you look at it more as a rhythm, you accept the fact that sometimes you're going to surge more in some category. You're going to surge more at work right now because now's the time for you to put the extra work in. Maybe you have a big project. Maybe you're looking for a promotion or you're learning something new. You're going to surge in time there. Perhaps you're going on vacation and preparing for it. Your kids are getting out of school. You're surging in time on the family side. So it's just a matter of finding that rhythm, accepting it for the moment, and then moving on. I would really focus on what are my categories and what am I going to focus on at this point in time in that area. And then the business category. I would really hone in on what is the 20% of the role you're in currently and making sure you are hitting those bullet points on a daily basis. Now this is really simple. You say, hey, my battery's full in the morning, I got my body time in, I got my being time in, I'm in the rhythm automatically because I've already made the choices to work in these categories. Now the business piece is, I don't get to do anything else in my business until this 20% is done for the day. So if you're a realtor, we know the 5 things you should be doing as a realtor to maintain that 20% status. You're gonna do lead generation, lead follow-up, go on appointments, negotiation, and scripting and role playing. So once those things are completed, then you can move on to anything else in your business. Now this will sustain an extremely successful trajectory for you in your choice management or your timetables. So I hope this was helpful. If you're looking for more tips on that, just send me a DM. We have a longer video that we can send you.